welcome. David here. This is episode 24. Smart money, blockchain to freedom. Yes. And let's get started. As you know, I love going to CoinMarketCap. And for new people, I'm in a coffee shop today, so there might be a little background noise. But for new people who are just getting into blockchain, just starting to learn a bit about cryptocurrency, I love going to CoinMarketCap, right? Because here you can see the facts, okay? You can see the top 8,000 tokens that are available, starting with Bitcoin as number one. And you can do your research as well, right? I mean, you can actually click on Bitcoin. You can see the current price of Bitcoin is $112,000 right now. You can actually see that we only have 21 million BTC as a finite supply, which is important, right? It's not like fiat money, right, where you can just keep printing it. This is a fixed supply of 21 billion, and that's it. Okay, so million, I should say, 21 million. Yes. So this is really, really cool because it's quite simple. It's supply and demand, right? The more and more people who are getting into Bitcoin, the less the coins are, the higher the price. I mean, look here, there's a little news there. What's this? New holding, 639,835 BTC acquired for about 47.3 billion, right? Meanwhile, small investors panic, sell at a loss. Only the whales to scoop up cheaper Bitcoin. So now because the Bitcoin has dropped in value, people are buying it, right? So this is really, really cool. So have a look at CoinMarketCap. And what I want to show you is the power in Bitcoin is you can go into Bitcoin, you can go all-time chart, and then you can have a look at the chart, right? You can actually track it, the price. I mean, look, when it started, like 2016, $374, right? So nobody can tell me that this asset has not got value. It's got value. Yes, it's quite volatile, okay? But over a long period of time, we always talk about dollar cost averaging. You can win because you're buying a little bit over a long period of time, 3 to 5 years. So dollar cost average into Bitcoin is not a bad idea. You can also dollar cost average into Ethereum. Tether is a stable coin, so that just stays at $1. So if you send $1,000 to somebody, they will get $1,000, right? XRP, there's a lot of hot speculation on XRP, BNB, and you can actually go look at them, right? You can click on it, and you can go look at the graph. You can see and go back. It was like 55 cents in 2023, right? And now it's $2.86. So go and have a look at the top 10 coins. That's what I suggest you do. And I mean, you can have a look at Solana. And you can have a look at that all-time graph as well. You can go back, you could just go back a year. And that was 93, and now it's 218, right? So, and then you can scroll down, you can learn a bit about it. They'll always give some kind of news about it. They'll always give some kind of information. And you can do that the same with any token. So it's really useful, this CoinMarketCap. Also, what I'd like to show you is at the bottom here, you can see how many cryptos there actually are worldwide. There's over 24 million. A lot of them are rubbish, right? Yes. But the top 10, have a look at the top 10. You've got a lot of exchanges active, 850, where you can buy crypto. And then you've got a CoinMarketCap, which is 3.89 trillion. That's significant, right? And then you've also got your volume for today is 162 billion. Right, so it's very, very significant. Now I'm going to show you the coin that I'm promoting right now. I'm promoting a coin called Apertum. I'm very excited about this. We are at the moment ranked 437 out of 9,513 active cryptocurrencies. We got a community score of 84%. And I mean, recently we entered the top 400, which is pretty impressive. Why am I saying that? Because we launched this project in February 19th of February 2025. So what, 7-8 months ago, right? So very, very, very bullish. Also, what I want to go through is we do have some products that I want to share. And what I'll do is I'll bring this little tripod up here that gives you an understanding. So what am I trying to share with you is to accumulate these coins as much as possible. Why am I saying that? Well, if you had a look at Bitcoin, right, 5 years ago, for instance, or the top 10, you know, you go look at Bitcoin 5 years ago as a $26,000. Imagine if you a dollar cost averaged Bitcoin, right? And I mean, I love when you go to ChatGPT, you can just ask ChatGPT, what's the benefits of dollar cost averaging to Bitcoin if you did it 5 years ago? And if you did $100 a month, right? You'll fall off your chair when you see the numbers. So why don't you dollar cost average into this coin? Okay. It's only $1.30, right? It's super, super cheap. Okay. So what I've got this tripod here is we've got 3 products that you can tap into. We've got something called a mining bot that you can mine. We've got a chain bot where, when I say mine, it mines the Pertum token, right? Chain bot is a trading bot that what it does is it buys low and sells high, so it accumulates these Pertum tokens for you. And then we've got something called a DEX and a liquidity pool where you can put some capital into the DEX and you can actually get an interest rate, which I'll show you. Okay, so we can have a look at it together. So if we go look at the store, so if you want to register an account, it's super, super easy. In below, you'll see some links, and there you can actually register account, and this is how you can access these products as well. So these products are absolutely awesome because you've got a trading bot here on the left where it can accumulate these Pertum tokens for you. And then you've got a mining bot that can mine this coin and accumulate these Pertum tokens for you. Where is this coin going to be in 5 years from now? $1.30? It could be higher, right? Who knows, right? But if you look at all the advantages of this project, Pertum supports ultra-fast transactions. It's also got a halving model every 4 years. It's also got a smart contract capability, and it's fast. And it's also cheap, right? So it's got all the good elements of Ethereum, all the good elements of Bitcoin. And we're just getting started at $1.30. So yes, so tap into, get yourself it's like 2 products in one. Get yourself one of these products and benefit on accumulating these Pertum tokens. Another good thing is you can actually join a liquidity pool. So Pertum liquidity pool, for example, the total liquidity is 1.5 million at the moment, with over 700,000 transactions. I mean volume, and then transactions 6,746. And here you can actually see it's a pair. It's a Pertum USDT pair, and at the moment you're getting an annual interest of around about 27%. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, more transactions, more into the liquidity pool. So tap into this as well. So going back to the tripod, you've got the mine bot accumulating a Pertum, you've got the chain bot accumulating Pertum, and you've got the DEX liquidity pool where you can tap into this interest rate. So very, very good wealth principle right there. Also, what we also have is we've got let me see, the active partners program, where you can pay $9 a month and you can actually share these products and you can benefit from commissions, right? So it's $9 a month. Yes, we do have a disclaimer. Please read and acknowledgement of this disclaimer below. I understand that I am using this product at my own risk. Any losses incurred due to my actions are my own responsibility. I understand that any and all materials, PDFs, otherwise are provided for educational purposes only. So this is really cool because you get direct commission of 20% when you sell the products. You basically also can go into level commissions down to 9 levels. And then if you're an influencer, you've got a rank pool commissions, right? And you build big teams if you're building big teams. Super easy to get started. All you would need to is get one of these products, right? Activate the product, and then also pay your $9 and you are ready to go. So have a look below in the description. I did a video yesterday. I'll give you an example. So if you come below here, you'll see something here called Explore Proven Blockchain Freedom. It's called Link Hub. You can click on this and it will take you to some links. I suggest you click on this and have a listen to this video. It is super, super powerful. Just click on here. It'll give you
The world is shifting beneath our feet.
about the
A new
product.
financial foundation is being laid.
Super, super powerful.
Money and wealth is moving into the digital age.
And then also you can go back to the Link Hub and you can also look at how to join the project, right? So you can just click here and it'll take you to a page where you can actually join the project. Super, super, super easy. So let me just go back here and then click here and just show you. So here you can go and register your account. Is it going to open? Let me just see, just do a refresh. There we go. And it's super, super easy. You can just come down here and then you can just click on register and you can get started. There is 2 different wallets. If you're not familiar with crypto and MetaMask and that, you can do password and email. But if you're a bit more familiar with crypto, you can do a MetaMask wallet or a Rabby wallet and get started. So just follow the instructions. Super, super, super easy. So awesome. So that's enough for today. Have a fantastic time, and I'll see you tomorrow for episode 25 of Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom. Thank you, and bye-bye.